first grade, I promised you a shot of celery. And celery's right back here on the tank, or right up here on the tank on the side. I turned it sideways so you could see it right there. And strawberry and banana are swimming around in there too. I hope you guys are having a great day. It's the first full day of spring, so I thought it would be fun to read you a story about getting outside. Maybe you can get outside today for the first day of spring. This is called Nature Spy. It's written by Shelley Rotner and Ken Chrysler, and the photographs are by Shelley Rotner. I like to go outside to look around and discover things. To take a really close look, even closer and closer. My mother says I'm a curious kid. She calls me a nature spy. Sometimes I look so closely, I can see the lines on a shiny green leaf. Or one small acorn on a branch. Or seeds in a pod. I noticed the feathers of a bird. Or the golden eye of a frog. When you look closely, things look so different, like the bark of a tree or an empty hornet's nest. The seeds of a sunflower or even a rock. Sometimes there's a pattern, like ice on a frozen pond. Or a spider web, or a butterfly's wing. Everything has its own shape, color, and size. Look closely at a turtle's shell. Or a dog's fur. Or even raspberries. Or kernels of corn. no matter where you look, up, down, or all around, there's always something to see when you're a nature spy. So I'm hoping you can get outside, look around in your backyard, and maybe you can be a nature spy too. Bye guys, have fun.